Hello, Isaac here. Today we're gonna make some delicious naan bread. Let's face it, who doesn't love cakes? Almost 90% of people likes it, if not for everyone. Alright, so grab your rolling pin and let's start the dough on the road. But remember, right after the cooking, Mandeep is gonna give us the history of naan. Mandeep, are you there?
Hey Isaac, I'm just right here at the corner, brother. Don't worry, I will.
Okay, so let's begin with our naan. We're gonna use our cast iron pan to fry it. Okay, remember, when you're using a cast iron pan, you make sure you grease it with an oil. Okay, so see, a little bit, not too much. Okay.
Naan bread originated in Central Asia, particularly in the region that is now known as Uzbekistan. It was a staple food among the nomadic tribes that roamed the region, as it was easy to make and transport. The bread was typically made with wheat flour and baked in a tandoor, a clay oven that was heated by wood or charcoal. As the nomadic tribes migrated to other parts of Asia, they brought their recipe for naan bread with them. It eventually made its way to India, where it became a popular food among the Mughal rulers. The Mughals were known for their extravagant feasts, and naan bread was often served alongside rich curries and spicy chutneys. Over time, naan bread evolved to include a variety of flavors and ingredients. In India, it is often flavored with garlic, coriander, and other spices. In Pakistan, it is typically served with meat or vegetables and is known as naan kebab. In Afghanistan, it is baked with sesame seeds and served with yogurt and honey. Today, naan bread is enjoyed all over the world, and it is often served in Indian restaurants and other Asian eateries. It can be eaten plain, or it can be stuffed with cheese, meat, or vegetables. Whatever the variation, naan bread remains a beloved food that has stood the test of time.